Hi everyone, mabuhay. Ready to make learning fun and exciting? By the way, I'm Neil and I'm here to help you speak Tagalog with confidence and make mathematics simple and easy to understand. I am a dedicated and a detailed-oriented civil engineering graduate with 3 years of construction experience and with a strong foundation in mathematics. I also hold an associate degree in computer science, which strengthen my analytical and problem-solving skills. If ever you felt like Tagalog is confusing or math is too hard, don't worry, you're not alone. I got you. I break lessons too simple and easy so you can learn it faster and with confidence, of course. As a native Tagalog speaker, I can communicate effectively in both Tagalog and English, making it easier for me to guide and support from different backgrounds. In our sessions, expect interactive, engaging, and practical lessons. We'll solve math problems together step by step. And for Tagalog, we'll practice real life conversation so you can actually use it every day. No pressure, no fear. Just progress, confidence, and results. So, if you're ready to level up your skills and enjoy learning at the same time, tara, join me and let's get started. Book trial lessons with me so we can discuss your objective and how I can help you to achieve your learning goals in Tagalog and your mathematics concern.